Hey, what's wrong, man? What's the deal? You look depressed.
Oh, just, you know, gotta sell the Firebird. It's time. Time's up.
What? Are you shitting me, dude?
I just don't have any other place to put it or time to work on it, so it's just time, you know. It happens.
Oh, this is awful.
Yeah, but I mean, there will be other cars in the future, you know. Like, I still have dreams of a 240 or a 280Z, RX-7, you know, tons of shit.
A freaking RX-7? What are you, f***ing gay?
Imports just, that might be where my heart goes.
Dude, your channel's gonna die now, you know that, right?
I'm gonna do an import with a V8 swap or something.
Channel's totally gonna die.
My love for cars has gone more from like building them and working my ass off on them and spending tons of money on them to like taking pictures, appreciating the build, but not so much wanting to actually have it for myself. I like driving my car, but I just can't really see myself building one for spending 30-40 grand building one.
You have like maybe 3 people that watch your channel. They're all gonna be like, whoa, f you, man. You're not gonna pay attention to what we want. And
my 6 people that watch these videos, and they are dedicated to this channel. Like, they wake up in the morning and they're like, oh shit, did Ratchetbunny upload again? Oh, he did. Sick. So my 3 fans are pretty awesome. We'll make some dope ass content, and yeah, this isn't the end.
I don't think we can be friends anymore, man. I don't know what to tell you. I don't think I can like be here for you anymore. I mean, that car was pretty much all I came around for, so you're kind of on your own now. On your own now. On your own now. On your own now. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, buddy. Everybody, this is my parents' dog, Jack. He's a little socially awkward. He doesn't like to snuggle, but he does like belly rubs, so he is a normal dog. So, we're gonna go check this out. This is pretty hilarious. It's jam-packed with shit. Six hours later, the old ones are out. The different ones are in. They're not really new. Let's see if they work any better. Oh, no. I think I just played myself. Oh, they're worse. Yeah, they're worse. Sick. So what I'm gonna do is probably gonna lay out the interior pieces in my driveway and take a picture of all of that, and then I'll take a picture of the seat too, take a picture of a bunch of random stuff, and I'll include that in the post. And then I'm gonna go get a car wash real quick, which is gonna suck because it is fudging and heckin' cold as nuts. And once I do that, and we can go take pictures of it and post it online. I just want to get this done because it is getting cold out, and we have to go get some clips for everybody, so let's do this. So we got all the interior stuff out and laid out. It's not everything, but I didn't even know I had it. One thing I need to do before anything is make sure this is back in there, because that's not good.
Tripping on back for the last 8 summer. Never tell her back that I never stay running. Sipping
couple exhaust clips. Holy shit, these are tight.
That's what she said.
And then we are going to get a car wash, and then we're gonna go take pictures at a different spot. So it'll be a lot of fun. And hopefully my camera battery won't die because I don't really have another one. Off to the spot we go. To make this video forever. Time has come. Looks like that's not gonna be stable enough. Not a boner.
You're like one hour.
Top of second gear, I was going 65-ish, and I spun, and then the car stopped. The car was like, well, what do I do? I don't know if I hit a limiter or what, but it just stopped. A little bit bigger pipes to actually like pop a lot more. Oh shit! Alright, I gotta stay a little bit quiet over here because there's a person that lives up. I have never driven that car, this car, to that extent. Like I got a little scared there for a second. I don't drive this car very fast.
That's because you a pussy.
I think I'm allowed that considering.
For the most part, but wow, that was so cool. Get some rev clips and then we'll keep going. I gotta try it one more time. because that was f***ing cool.
You suck, you jackass.
Well, there you guys have it. Donuts and the Firebird. First time in a really long time.